Right, we're here on Antonio's small block for his Falcon. We're finally getting to it. Don't mind that little guy behind it. That's mine. That's secret. That's my motor. That's my race motor. Look, Jared, you're on TV. You can show your mom.
Hi, Mom.
There he goes. Jared's helping today because they brought their truck over. So I was like, yeah, jump in. So Jared's going to pull the rockers and push rods. Nick already got that side off. We're going to pull the heads because it was milkshakey and it had a lot of the old calcium gook that we get on every small block Ford.
I wasn't here on that one.
Yours was the only one that didn't have a bunch of shit inside of it.
I'm really surprised because that motor supposedly has my
Yours
Mustang
doesn't
out
count because it's a part.
My Mustang that's out there, my cousin blew up the motor. He floated a valve, it dropped, took out a piston.
That was fun.
No,
but we know what he did.
no. I think he knows that we know. Like
Yeah.
we figured it out. We're not that dumb.
Well, sometimes.
But that motor has like 300 to 400,000 miles on it. Yeah.
But it doesn't have any of this calcium schmutz in it, which is normal small block Ford
Which
fun
is kind
time.
of surprising because there was a little bit before there I was just running regular water.
But this had a little chocolate shake to it, so it's got to come apart, get tanked, crack checked, surfaced, and then back together. Because it had good compression, it ran okay otherwise.
I bet you they put them in there.
So, all right, carry on.
Yes, sir. Work on it. They're just putting these down and just crush the filters.
Jared's learning.